Hello everyone, this is Miss Martico with the Fairfield Public Library. Today in our Take and Make a Bag, we have a snowman snow globe. Continue to watch to do this cool craft. So in our Take and Make kit, we should have these items in front. A blue circle, brown trapezoid, a paper with a triangle and two circles, a red and yellow square, 15 Q-tips, and a few cotton balls. Some items that we're gonna need from home: a black and orange crayon, marker, or colored pencils, some glue, and a pair of scissors. Let's make sure we have all of these items before we get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our glue. We're gonna add a little bit of it right at the top and place that glue paper here on our snow globe. And we'll turn it around. Our next step would be to cut our triangle out. Making sure you cut right above. We'll take our glue and add some glue on our triangle. And place that right on of our paper. Take away 5 Q-tips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and placing them off to the side. We'll take our Q-tips and remaining, which are 10, and place a little bit of glue on each side, gluing that down. Here we're going to make a house with these Q-tips. We're going to take the yellow paper and put a T through the middle. And that's going to be our window. Adding some glue. We'll take our other paper and put a doorknob. Perfect. Our next step is to take our paper and cut out our circles. Add our snowman, the bottom circle on the bottom, and our little circle right on top. Here I'm going to take my black pencil. I'm going to draw a hat for the snowman. Our next step would be to take 1 Q-tip and adding our glue. We'll take another Q-tip and it's gonna bend it into 2. We'll add some glue here and here, placing the Q-tip down. Take our next Q-tip and we're just gonna pop off just the edges. And we're going to put just a little bit of glue and place it right here. And here. Taking your next Q-tip and popping off the edge again. And we'll put a little bit of glue. Perfect. And that's our snowman tree. We're gonna pull those apart. Add the snow right here. So, loop-de-loop. Just need a little bit. We'll take our cotton ball snow and place it along the bottom. Black pencil, we're going to draw 2 eyes. On our snowman. And 2 buttons. We'll take our orange and we'll make a little triangle for the carrot on his nose. Taking our black again, we're gonna give our snowman some arms. Great. And if you want to be done, you can. If not, you could take, if you have some extra cotton balls, and you can pull a piece, twirl it into a small little ball, and add some snow falling down. Pull a piece, twirl it into a small little ball. And now your snow globe is complete. It was so great doing this craft with you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. As always, check out our calendar at the Fairfield Public Library so you can be up to date with all the cool events that we have going on. I look forward to seeing your snowman globe as well as seeing you here at the library enjoying all of what we have going on. Until next time, see you later. Bye-bye.